pastries like macarons, cookies, lolly cake. Binuksan na namin lights, then nag-brew kami ng coffee. So may nag-order ng 1 coffee jelly. Tapos tinagalan ko yung exposure nito kasi natutuwa ko dun sa ilalim. We put coffee jelly on top. Nag-additional pala sila ng cake slice, isang s'mores cake, then isang caramel crunch. Natakam ata sila. Another customer, nag-order sila ng 2 creamy carbonara, 1 chocolate empty, 1 Okinawa or winter melon na milk tea. Sorry, hindi ko natandaan. 1 slice ng blueberry cheesecake. Kaso ubos na pala yung slice namin. So ito, nag-slice ako ngayon. So ayan lang for today. Bye!